वीडियो देखने आए हो तो सब्सक्राइब भी करके जाओ ना। Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Nautanki Writes। So I hope you all are doing great। स्वस्थ हो, मुस्कुरा रहे हो और टाइम से धो रहे हो अपने हाथ। Oh my God! Wow! So continuing with the video guys, टाइटल पढ़ के आप सबको समझ तो आ ही गया होगा। The main मुद्दा of this video is de-tanning। So it's 9 AM in the morning guys and I'll be sharing with you guys my routine of de-tanning which I follow once every 10 days and which is really very effective। और आजकल मैं मार्केट में 3 से 4 घंटे लगा के आ रहा हूँ with proper precautions। क्योंकि घर की कंस्ट्रक्शन चल रही है तो हर रोज कुछ ना कुछ सामान लाना ही होता है, जिस वजह से as you can see मेरे फेस पे कितना टैन हो गया है गाइस। फोरहेड पे तो बहुत ज्यादा। So let's get started with the video guys। So my D10 routine comprises of 3 really simple steps guys। First is rose water cleansing, second is scrubbing and third is D10 mask, and that's all, and you will surely feel the difference by the end of this video guys। So guys, the first and foremost step is to hold a piece of cotton cloth or a handkerchief, fold it diagonally and just roll karo, roll karo, roll karo, roll karo, roll karo, roll karo, roll karo। तो अपना ध्यान कहीं और भटकाए बिना आगे बढ़ते हैं and we'll tie this handkerchief tightly on forehead so to push back hair for proper application of products on our face। So moving ahead with my first step, cleansing. I'm using this rose water by IMC and will sprinkle all over my face।
Spray, 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 spray।
Now I'm taking this another clean piece of cotton cloth to clean my face properly। And I am done। So now, following my second step, which is scrubbing, I'm using this BioPapaya Tan Removal Scrub by Biotech, for which I'll first sprinkle some water, normal water, on my face, and then I'll take some sufficient amount of scrub and will apply all over my face। Cool. After I'm done with the application of my scrub, we'll sprinkle sufficient amount of water on my face to clean the waste with the same cotton cloth। So moving forward with the third step, D10 mask, and I am using this Ozone D10 facial cleanser mask, for which I'll take the mixing bowl in which I'll add sufficient amount of D10 cleanser, this much or maybe a little more, and into this I'll add 2 drops of aloe vera gel which is by IMC and will mix it well। And my mask is ready guys, so it's time for the application of my mask on my face। So now guys, I'll leave my mask on for at least 10 minutes and will come back later to wipe it out. So meanwhile, I'm using this mini fan guys to get my mask set fast. So now my mask seems to be pretty much set. So after that, I'll sprinkle some normal water on my face and will give a quick massage to my face using a facial massager. And it's wipe out time, so I'll sprinkle some water, actually a lot more water, and we'll wipe it out using a clean cotton cloth. So here's the final result guys, and my skin looks so perfect and tan free now. As you all can see, there's no more tan on my forehead, no more on cheeks, no more nose, and I am loving it for sure. And I hope you guys have loved it. So after this, I'll quickly apply some moisturizer, which is Men's Medium Oil Based Moisturizer by Bath and Body Works. I'll quickly apply some. And after that, I'll quickly apply some lip balm, which is Ustra Lip Balm, Men's Lip Balm. Done. So I hope this video helped you in one or the other way. So if you guys have enjoyed my video, do give it a thumbs up. Do comment down in the comment section below what video should I make next. And do subscribe my channel fast guys. जाने से पहले घंटा जरूर बजा के जाना ताकि मेरी हर नई वीडियो पे तुम्हें नोटिफिकेशन मिलता रहे. और until next video, टाटा, bye bye, we'll meet you soon. Keep sanitizing and love peace.